owned this thing since January of 2025. It's now April of 2026, and I'm finally getting around to doing my paint correction. Got the 3M compound here, and this is actually step 2, clay barred the whole thing. This thing has kind of been in a deep sleep for over a year or so, and really haven't used it. 500 miles maybe put on it, really nothing. Just never got around to doing things to it. I've done definitely some things, but I just wanted to own it. You know what I mean? I wanted to have it and just make sure. Sometimes, hey, things happen in life where you just can't get to things, but it's all about these two color combinations that I love. And what they make 16 of these. This is an 03 also, and it has navigation, which I love, the old school nav, and it also has the solar sunroof. So, very nice automobile. Just waiting on my Avis wheels to still get done. It's like over a year too. That's what sucks when you have friends in the business, supposedly friends. So that's the other thing. But yeah, this is did the hood. Going to be working on it this week. Right now it's sunny, but they said it's supposedly going to rain all week. So I'm figuring, let's get this thing done. Next up will be the machine polish 3M. Also, this stuff is really good. This gets rid of all the waxes and all the stuff on it. After I finish compounding this, I will then rewash it with this. And then I will go in with the machine polish. And then lastly, where are you? There we are. I will do the ceramic coating from CERAKOTE, which I love, and take it from there. I know, it's just, is it a long process? Oh yeah, of course. Take your time, do it right, and this way it's done. I don't think this car has really ever been detailed too well over its life. Look at here, it's got some scratchiness to it. Hopefully I could clean up these aluminum bars too. All right, finish the compound, and you know what? It shows dust everywhere on this one. I don't know why. This one was very dry with the compound, a lot of flakes. Also went through a lot more pads than the S4. I don't think this vehicle was really detailed as much, or this car really definitely needs this. You know what I mean? There's still some scratches. There's nothing I could really do about it. Especially on the front, these bumpers, they tend to go that way a lot. Stonage and stuff. Many Audi bumpers have been resprayed several times over the years too. I mean, there's a lot of nicks on this car. Thank goodness the plate goes back on there, so you won't see a lot of that crap. But little scratches over there. I gotta really get in the grill. But right now, you know what? I gotta focus on, I gotta also do the engine. I gotta focus on taking care of the paint, because like I said, it is supposed to be raining for the rest of the week. I don't know. That one I have covered up because I ceramic coated it. I have no choice. You know what? I really wanted to work on this because I never have any time. And most likely what happens is I'll fix everything, do everything, and then end up selling it. I'm just a weird person like that because I could never appreciate anything that I own. It's just like always a, what do you call it? Like a model. That's what it is, a project. It really is a nice car too. It's such a shame. I don't drive it. I don't do anything with it. But, it's just the story of how I am. Always how it is. You know what it is? It's the mileage that bothers me. 94,455 right now. And it's like, do I really drive it more? You know what? I can't let the car dealer gets into my head. It really does. I can afford to always keep it for the rest of eternity, but it does diminish the value of it. Those I'm actually, all Audis. I remember these things brand new, even A6s. These 3M decals, whatever, clear body plastics, whatever, they always look like that. They always look terrible. Even from the get-go, I was driving these things when they were new. And I don't know what it is, but Audi really screwed up with these things because they just don't look good. I don't really know how to peel that off. That's a shame here. I don't know what that crap all is. That's just, there is an issue there. But you know what? 20 plus. She's old, but she still looks good. All right, let's go to step 2. Now I'm going to do the wash, get all this crap off, and then I'm going to start the polishing. So everything that I use, 3M compound. This one is the Ultra Polish, and that's the stripper of everything. And then I'm going to use the ceramic coating from CERAKOTE. Real good stuff. Trim coat is amazing too. Believe it or not, even the polishing, the buffer, the machine I use was from Amazon. The other one, that's an older one. I use that too. That's just a little bit bigger. That one was actually from Harbor Freight. I'll tell you, you got a good life, buddy. It does look good. It does look good. You know what? I just enjoy like looking at it. So yeah, that's why I guess I keep it around. But these wheels, I do hate them. So you have no idea. Not a bad looking wheel. It's just one of those factory type of guys. Yeah. Coming along. Looks good with these Euro plates on it too. Should just drive around like that.